welcome there. Our story tonight is about King Elijah and the time of no rain. Okay? One day, there was a wicked king. This is the wicked king. He set up idols of Baal and altars of Baal. This is Baal, this is Baal. Stone, form, anak. Worship din sila diya, mag-pray. O, kahit mo na pag-pray nga idols, di ba? Pray to Baal, and he said to the people, Baal sends the rain to make your fields and garden grow. Uy, dataka na siya to. Ingon siya. Ini daw Baal, mara na nag-give sa rain. Taka no, Jesus kayo nag-giban. Dahil daw si Jesus ang nag-give sa rain. Kana daw may power ng Baal. Wah? Taka lang sila ba? And then, King Ahab built a beautiful temple. Ooh, like a temple. Very nice temple. He placed an ugly idol of Baal in the temple. Ugly Baal. But siya na ugly Baal dito sa inside the temple. Ito yung pray mga people. Pray Baal. He said Baal sends the rain. Diba? And then, ano to? And then, in a far-away mountain, lived a prophet, Elijah. Elijah, prophet na siya.
Elijah was a girl.
Boy. Elijah looked down from the mountains where he lived in a little house built on a stone. So, nasa din nagpuyo sa up of the mountain in a stone house. He saw the temple of Baal. Oh, kita niya dito ang temple of Baal inside. And then, it made him weep. So, kahilak sa ubad ng mga people na worship sila sa Baal na pray. God came near and talked with the prophet Elijah. I will teach the king and the people that it is high. It is I, the Lord, who sends the rain. So, kung si Jesus, so I will punish them. I will tell them that I, the Lord God, gave the rain. It's not Baal, huh?
Not
Not the idol Baal. Oh, it's not the idol Baal send the rain. Go tell King Ahab, he said, that there will be neither dew nor rain until the people of Israel turns away from idols. Ay, so po si Jesus, malisan ba ka? Kasi ingon si Jesus, if you still worship the idol, I will send no rain. No rain for 3 or to 7 years. Bilidugay. No rain, 1,000 days. Matay na mga plants, so may rain. Then, he go to King Ahab. Down the mountain hurried the prophet Elijah across the valley of the king's palace. Past the king's soldiers, Elijah did not stop until he stood before the king. Uy, sulod siya. Go siya inside the room of the king. Ana mag-guard, hey, stop! He said, I will not stop. I will go to the king. I will talk to him. And then he said, King! I am king. I am Elijah. And as the Lord liveth, he told the king, there shall be neither dew nor rain until the people of Israel turn away from the idols. You understand? Saying on niya, there will be no rain until the people of Israel turn from idols. Oh, stop sila pray. Sa ako ingon? Wala na stop ng rain kung hindi sila worship sa Jesus. Kung sige sila worship sa Baal, stone, no more rain. The prophet Elijah quickly left the king's palace. God whispered to him, hide yourself behind the brook of Cherith. So Jesus and God told him, you go to the brook of Cherith, you hide there. So Elijah ran away and went to the woods. And the king said, "Catch Elijah, stop him!" Shout the king. "Don't let him get away!" But Elijah was already gone. Elijah ran away. And then they hunt for him in the fields. But Elijah was not there. Even King Ahab joined the search, but no one could find Prophet Elijah. Uy, natago man si Prophet Elijah. Hindi mo sila kita, kaya natago man dito sa forest. And then, he was so angry, King Ahab. In the brook of Cherith, Elijah sat down beside the water of brook of Cherith. He drank the clear, cold water of the brook. Wait, there's a drink. Oh, diba? Every morning after the sun came up, every evening before the sun went down, God sent raven to bring you food. Wait, God sent the raven. God sent the birds and bringing bread. Oh, brings the bread. Give me bread. Very good boy ang mga birds, ba? Oh, God sent the birds to give him food.
Daddy loved animals to him.
Yes, because God told the birds to give him food, give him water. God sent the ravens to bring food. Many days Elijah lived in the brook of Cherith. The wild creature became his friends. Ooh. The wild creature, the camel, the fox, all the animals in the forest made friends with Elijah. And then, because there was no rain, the grass turned brown and the leaves fell down on the trees. And there was no rain, no grain to harvest. Finally, the brook of Cherith dried up. Uy, no, dried up na. Wala na trees. Patay na tanan mga trees, mga grass. But God did not forget him. Tago ko sila ito. Guna sila other side of the mountain.
The animals.
Matay na mo sila. And God never forget Elijah. Go to the city of Zarephath, he said to Elijah. I have commanded a widow who live there to give you food and water. Uy, naggo siya dito sa village. Naggo siya dito. And then the widow of Zarephath was searching for woods. Cut the woods. Sila, kumukok sila. Elijah said, can you give me a drink on son of bread? Tago sa diri. Then I have only a handful of meal, a little oil, and a gathering for sticks. Ana siyang mami. Wala naman may rice, wala naman may food, wala naman water, gamay na lang. Gusto mo lang among food. Good for us lang. Ana siya. Can you give me some? Because God will give you more food to eat. To bake the last bread for me and my son. After that, we will die because we don't have food to eat. Make me a little cake, God said, and the milk shall not lack, nor the oil shall not fail until the day he sends the rain. Uy, the magic, a plenty food. And then siya, and the widow baked a little cake for Prophet Elijah and drew him a drink from the well. He gave him room and loaf of her home. And it happened, God had said, every morning there was a handful of meal and a bar and a little oil of course. Enough for a day, loaf of bread, God sent the water in the well. So during the time of no rain, the widow and the boy Elijah had bread to eat and drink of water. Uy, siyempre binti, may water, may oil, magic on sa Jesus. Diba? And then 3 years of no rain went by. Then one day God said to Prophet Elijah, go, show yourself unto King Ahab, and I will send rain upon the earth. Uy, so you go to the king and tell the king that I will send the rain. Back to the land of Israel went Prophet Elijah, and he met the king on the path. The king frowned at him. Ano siya? Taka ka? Mag-give ba ang God will send the rain? You're joking. Ano? Di siya magtuon sa taka man ka, kinsam ka. Taka man ka to. It is you, trouble of Israel. I have not troubled Israel, said Elijah. You have because you turned away from God. Gather all the people of Israel to make a mountain of Carmel, commanded Elijah and all the prophets of Baal. So he said, we'll go to the mountain. And there we will show our power. Who is powerful? The power of God or the power of Baal? Fight sila. Okay. Ito sila. Talk ko siya. Okay, what? We will see who is powerful, your Baal or God. So the people were watching. And he said, you gather plenty of stones and pile them and put some woods. And then it's the...
Wala bang sabihin sa namin?
Sabi, the coin, no. And then the prophets of Baal built their altar and they placed wood and on the altar. And on the offering upon the wood, they prayed to Baal from the morning until noon. They prayed, Baal, send us rain. This is the food. Cut nilang hands, cut na padugo na. But Baal did not hear them. There was no answer from Baal. They cried louder and louder and leaped and jumped around the altar and they cut themselves. Still was no answer. And the king, hey, what are you doing? Why is there no power? Ano yung iso? Hey, what are you doing there? Huh? There's no power on our Baal? Oh man. Then it is the prophet Elijah's turn. And then Elijah said, okay, it's my turn. You pour water, you dig around the stone and put water. Then to the power of God, God will burn the offering with fire. And then the altar was poured over altar, and it ran down the field of a ditch. The people watched and waited, looking toward to heaven. Elijah prayed, O Lord God, let it be known from this day that thou art God. Ooh. And then a big fire from heaven fall down and burn the offering. And there was fire. And the Lord, He is God. The Lord, He is God. And the people were scared. What? There was a fire. They were so afraid because it is God who is the most powerful. Then the king said, your God is powerful. My God Baal has no power. So, from that day, from that day, King Ahab said, destroy all the Baal because the Baal has no power, that we will pray to God in heaven who has the true power, who can hear us. And then from that day, God sent the rain over the earth. He said a great rain to water the earth. And then the story ends, and we'll tell another story next time. Okay, you say bye to our camera. Thank you for the story. Okay, press stop.